Perfect. So I wanted to include this slide, right, to help you guys kind of hone in on this, right? I always think if you're trying to transition, or if you're looking to get into a new group, and I do believe in that whole word, that imposter syndrome, where we feel like we're imposters and we don't belong. And let me tell you, you guys, everybody belongs. This network, and the community of Salesforce, the $1 billion economy that we have, right? It isn't, the jobs out there aren't just Salesforce. They're with our partners. They're with businesses and nonprofits and, themselves. So that network is so vast, right? And yes, so customer success looks at these roles, but I want you to sort of backwards engineer yourself here. So Hilary and I provide these types of real prescriptive items to our customers, right? We're aligning on goals and objectives. We have that relationship. We're providing value. We have a level of skill, right? We're helping them to avoid technical debt, right? And we're helping them with aligning on our product, right? 3 releases a year, groups, developers have to keep up with, right? So I bolded words for you that I think you can tap into, right, every day. You guys have documented everything for years and years and years. You know how to put a good document together, and it's all about getting that plan together, right? So we can check off, can we help align? Absolutely. You guys have built relationships in your lives, right? You walk out the door, you have to build relationships. You have relationships under your own home. We all know how to do that. And the best way to do that is to have communication. We know communication in the military up and down, right? So we can cover that too, right? Business value, right? That's about planning and about understanding the why, right? The success measures. This is success metrics, right? All about measures and value. You guys can tap into that. And some of you are maybe even have analytical minded or analytical jobs. That is massive. There is a huge need for, think of the data that is coming, the volume of data with products like Tableau CRM and everything. Analytics is a huge spot. And I bet a lot of you have had that experience in the past, right? Operational readiness, right? We all in the military, right, have to have some form of readiness. You guys can knock that one out of the park. And again, you guys have the discipline that's needed, right, to really make sure that you're matching that and understanding the skill level and keeping up with that. And then kind of rounding things out, right, technical debt. You guys probably had to do assessments. Again, I'm making some general thoughts about some of your roles, but I'm sure that you had to go in, make an assessment. You probably didn't have all of the answers in front of you. You had to go with your gut, and you had to say, hey, look, this is what I know, and this is the direction I'm going to go with. That's exactly what Hilary and I have to do. We have to make decisions, and we don't have all the facts sometimes. Right. And then finally, right, it's just making an evaluation. Again, tapping into that. Do I know all the facts? Probably not. Right. But I'm going to make my best judgment and move forward on that. And I think that when you see this, hopefully you can see very relatable paths and skill sets that we operate on a daily basis. I'll have one final thought on here is sure, certified double ranger, but every single day I tap into the change management in my past, and that ability to change people, process, and technology. And to just know that it is the culmination of your careers. It isn't just one job you had. It's really, I've added up everything along the way to help sort of form my skill set today. So hopefully this was great that you guys could see yourself in here. We've got a question, Michael here, 2 seconds. Hilary, do you have anything else to add? And then we'll go to Michael. Okay.
Hi, I just want to say that's great. I've constantly tried to figure out how to translate to civilian what I've done. And that little chart there, that really, in the way you broke it down, just went through to me. So thank you. I'm going to be making changes in my resume. Thank you.
Excellent. Excellent. Good. Yeah, Michael, and this goes for everyone. It's almost a backwards engineering process, right? Where you see the role, you see the sort of the job requirement, and you can just backwards engineer your way. And hopefully this kind of helps tee that up for you.